Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing tua ka krem ti doyong ha ka klo ringksan ka baha papo ka East Giant Hills District. Kabalaja nadu ka khatlai trek unok pra arja katpra. Kalabu a kajing wat je kiriu shampang bandrong shapo krem ban sei ki brieu ki balas akon shapo jongani ka krem. Marsen yo jing tep halor kani ka jingja. Nakalang ki kinhon ki balas shampang ban lait pelat mi ki brieu haba wanen shop ki bor kamariang. Kontop nadu ka kanhon jong ka National Disaster Response Force bat ka District Disaster Response Force. Kala hiar mar shakani ka jaka banyale ban sei ki brieu ki balas akon shapo. Handai namar ka jingjor palat ka jingkiu bat baduna ki kortan hadu menta lapalat artayoru kim sempat lala satya ban lei banyarap ikini ki kenhon ban sai ki brek basakot chapo ya ki bala antat bakidan kumbak hasan ngot ki badai ki nokti doyong nakalyang katnat sipai jong ka Indian Air Force ru kalayarap ban wan penket lem ya ka kenhon ka bakarpang bat ke bala kham sempang haka kam ngam jong ka kenhon NDRF na po Bhubaneswar ki bala wan poi sakani ka jaka haklo rengksan ringkat ki arpoi ngot ki khon jong ka ni ka kenhon ringkat ki tiar kitar bat ki kortan ki bakham klan haka arpa pratrek mentau benai no pra Henry wat hadu mentaru kani ka konhon ru kampat lap dia ni ki breu ki basakot chapo.
The Indian Air Force was requisitioned by the state government 2 days back, and we lifted the NDMA team, which consisted of the Orissa firefighters team from Bhubaneswar, and we put them along with the equipments and manpower at Guwahati. The same day, some team of Indian Navy, they went for the initial assessment to East Giant Hills to assess the situation on ground and how the Navy can be roped in into the rescue operation. Next day, 11 divers with equipment which could sense the depth of the mine, the material stuck inside, the manpower if at all stuck, they came to there, and they are still deployed there, and we are still in the process of the rescue by the Indian Navy divers who are still present as we speak.
Katkom ka khubor hadu ka life trek mentau benai no pra ajakat pra ka kanhun jong ka NDRF na po Bhubaneswar ka balawan penpoi dekat nat Indian Air Force kilangam sepo ka thleu hadu lai kenta Henry namar ka jingchungot palat ka kim sem nalap dia ni ki breu Henry kilapoi pat hadu ka benta jong ka thleu basdang ka jingti doyong ringkat udoyong balalam hakmat jong ka krem.
It's a very difficult kind of mission where Indian Navy is deployed in, where the depth of the mine is over 300 feet. The naval guys, we are the best in the world, and I'm sure with their presence and with the coordination of NDRF and state government, we should be able to rescue as many as can alive from the mine. We cannot specify a time frame in this because of the difficulty of the area of operation, the dynamics over there, and the problems associated thereafter. So the people are at job, and we have the best team and the equipment which is available with us deployed there of the Indian Navy, and I'm sure they would be coming out with whatever is expected out of them in these situations. Well, we only can try. The Indian Navy divers are deployed there, and we only can try, and whatever best is possible can only be conveyed thereafter.
Kidikot jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee halor kani ka jing bampatla ban sei ki bre ki basakot chapo nakalyang kidikot jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee haka laipoi terek mentau benai no pra ajakat pra kila kan thoteng ero ya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balailam da kaseng National People's Party halor ka jing suki palat ban sei ki khatsan ngot ki breu ki balasat tep haka ni ka krem ti doyong haka klo rengksan ka badan hapo East Giant Hills District ka balaja nadu ka khatlai terek mentau benai no pra ajakat pra haka jekran bat ka Batisi TV ka Presiden jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee ka kong Jablen Phanbo kalakano ba ka jibam yo sei kini ki khatsan ngot kilanan ki badang sakon hapo kani ka krem mentala artayo tam kadai namar ka jingshem steng jong ka sarkar jilla
ni iba kerkom tring kam jong ki kalong basuki palat balai ki khore hadin ba ki lapa ki national news ya ka jinja de po East Hills East Giant Hills kisawan ki divers ki Navy divers ki sapoi ki high powered pumps ki sapoi bali alai sni lani adu san sni mentra kimpoi haba hadin balajai kani ka jinja ka basusi bade hadin mentala khatsan sngi la ni palat kin sapoi kita ki nong dive ki divers but kita ki high powered pumps la artayo hadin artayo kapoi balik ki mla ban arrange ka ni shwa ya ka ni ka artayo marsen jai gitu ki bagi tip bajai gitu ki nong de ti deuyong bakila syatap akata balik kim arrange wood as a government kira haka power, they are in the power balik kim decide wood bakin yo na kita ki high powered pumps bakin cut ki divers ki batbit balik wat gitu ki ya kita ki breu balik ki simpora do kane balik ki trikam suki kamut ba kim don jing snow ka jing embryo yaki kim perkat ka jing embryo kam dei tang kaniru habaki poi ki kep ki ba kani ka government ni iba kamla bantri kam pek ni deng pek masendep form ka government habaka don but ka jing ja tem mato hanti po harijan colony kimla ki kemla ban tem ka jing kulmarang tu hadu bala upai pa ula jinjar hakalek kawan yakinong syong yo kila do ban syong yo hadu siteo la palat siteo myo tia yo dam haba kia siap kia pen pa yet ki itu ki briu ki baya penkulmar hang tu beli ki melakukan tem ya ke jing kulmar hapok ka alai sngi aduk ndawan kibriu na Punjab ru banyak bakinnya don ban kata kajinya keren bat kita kibriu ki bawan na Punjab lagi mla bantem banyak khot tang collectively tang para maki ban ya syang banyak perkat kumlo bakin la ka harijan colony pe ya kajing sha sho itu ilong kemi i activist ikong Agnes Karshien hai ki kemi gitu kibriu ki ba sho dakirang ba lai pungut tambah syo perkat dakirang ba ban syo kelong kemi kilala ban kem mentah beja sok kan ni hadu mentah kim pala ban sai la ni kim la ban yo kita ki nong lekti doyong Henry penban uang Conrad Sangma miracles do happen. They might come out alive to wear those helmets. Bagi you atang ki helmet slightly, kiamba miracles might happen. Now you have failed in your work, you failed in your job. Now you expect miracles to happen. Is that the way they function? Is that the way this government functions? They depend on miracles to happen. Teta daw matas ni yadon hang ni kaya Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ka persat jur ya ka jing trekam suki palat ban pelai ka jing jam itu khatsan ngot ki basakut hang te hapo ka kitliu doyong beli kim la banyo ki expert divers beli ka government kam panjing rap kadon apa ka NEDA kadon apa ka North East Democratic Alliance beli kam la ban panjing rap na kiwe ngatarai kin kloi ban yarap daka deki kwa ban panye ka jing rap ngatarai ki kloi kiwe ban yarap handai Banirap ya kita bakila ngam hakatuka hapok ars pa meter siapo ruki merap ban panjing rap na kiwi banirap ya ki bakimla ban le kakam bade ban le rukim tre hadu banda kala ka news kala sapriang syabar ka jela bakila sedang ban keren ki breu hangta ki khore pada ban wat iki pams ban wat iki divers balik ki sempo hadu mental artiyo tam kataring ke jingkeli